Spinners provide a quick way to select one value from a set. In a default state, a spinner shows its currently selected value. Touching the spinner displays a drop-down menu with all other available values from which the user can select a new one. In sketchware, we have two styles. One is drop-down and another is dialog. Both works same, just a little bit difference is only appearance. To show the data in a spinner, we use list of strings. So I am creating a demo list with major mobile phone brands.
Somehow I woke up out in Beverly, fucked up, smelling like that bourbon, and I end up alone. I'm not certain. Yeah, the girls impolite in the club every night. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect. Hollywood perfect. That's how it goes when you Hollywood perfect.
To pass the data to spinner, we have a block and views. This one, set spinner data. We will choose the spinner and list string. Once we set the data, that data has been refreshed with this block, and I'm passing same data to second spinner because I have added it to just show the how dialog spinner looks. A spinner provides on item selected listener. I am just showing the toast, but you can implement your functionality here. I am showing which item we have selected with the position of that in the list string. I am adding the same functionality in both spinners of showing the toast.
Feels like I'm better off alone. So sad inside and hopeless. These Hollywood hoes never notice. Can't get back on. Girl, I miss you.
So this is our app. You can see both spinners. If you are new and this was hard to you, consider watching other videos in the playlist. See you in next video. Share your opinion in comments. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, Jokyo Apps.